Understanding psoriasis. What are the causes, symptoms, and the treatment options? Psoriasis is a chronic autoimmune skin disorder that accelerates the life cycle of skin cells, leading to the buildup of rough, scaly patches. Now, it is not contagious but can be physically uncomfortable and emotionally distressing. Let us explore the causes, the symptoms, and the various treatment options, including the effective natural remedies. What are the causes of psoriasis? While the exact cause is unknown, psoriasis is believed to result from a combination of genetic, immune system, and environmental factors. Number one is the genetics. People with a family history of psoriasis are at a greater risk. Number two is immune dysfunction. Abnormal activity of T cells triggers the inflammation and skill cell overproduction. Environmental triggers, infections, especially the streptococcal throat infections, the stress, the skin injuries, the smoking, and certain medications can initiate or worsen the psoriasis. Weather conditions. Cold and dry climates can aggravate the symptoms. Let us talk about the symptoms of psoriasis. Psoriasis can vary in appearance but typically involves red inflamed patches that is covered with silvery white scales, dry cracked skin, sometimes bleeding and itching, burning or soreness, especially around the affected areas, thickened, rigid nails. Nails may even detach from the nail bed. Joint stiffness and swelling. So it is seen in the case of psoriatic arthritis. Let us talk about some conventional treatment options available for psoriasis. Now, there are medical treatments which aim to control symptoms and prevent the flare ups. Topical medications include corticosteroids, vitamin D, analogs like calcipotriol, coal tar, and salicylic acid preparations. However, phototherapy, which is a close exposure to ultraviolet UVB rays or light. Systemic treatments. Now, oral or injectable drugs like methotrexate, cyclophosphamide, and biologics that regulate the immune system activity. Lifestyle adjustments include managing the stress, maintaining a healthy weight, avoiding smoking, and limiting the alcohol consumption. Let us talk about the natural remedies for psoriasis. Natural approaches can greatly complement medical treatments. So, here are some effective natural treatments that definitely can help you. Number one is aloe vera gel. Now, you need to apply pure aloe vera gel to plaques to reduce the redness, scaling, and itching. Number two is oatmeal baths. Adding colloidal oatmeal to a lukewarm bath can help moisturize and soothe your inflamed skin. Number three is fish oil. Omega 3 fatty acids. Consuming fish oil supplements or eating fatty fish like salmon and mackerel may reduce the inflammation. Let us talk about the number four, which is turmeric. Taking turmeric capsules or adding turmeric powder to meals may help lower the inflammation due to active ingredient curcumin. Apple cider vinegar. Applying diluted apple cider vinegar to the scalp can relieve the itching. Avoid using it on cracked or bleeding skin. Dead sea salt baths. Soaking in a warm bath with dead sea salts can move the scales and eases your itching. So, there is essential oil when diluted properly may help manage your scalp psoriasis by reducing itching and scaling. Number 8 is going with aloe vera plus coconut oil plant. That is mixing aloe vera gel with virgin coconut oil. Now that creates a moisturizing healing balm for dry and scaly skin. Shea butter, rich in vitamins and fatty acids. Now, Shea butter deeply moisturizes psoriasis patches and prevents further cracking. Number 10 is sunlight exposure. Limited or safe sun exposure early morning or late afternoon can improve lesions by increasing vitamin D naturally. Let us talk about number 11, which is probiotics. Taking probiotic supplements or consuming fermented foods like yogurt and kimchi may balance gut health, so which plays a role in immunity and inflammation. Number 12 is Mahonia aquifolium, that is Oregon grape, a herbal remedy for its antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties, which is available in creams and extracts for topical use. Let's talk about the final thoughts. Although psoriasis is a long-term condition, a combination of medical treatment, lifestyle changes, and natural remedies can help manage its symptom very effectively. Natural remedies, while beneficial, work best when used consistently and under a doctor's supervision, especially if you are on some prescribed medications. So this was all about today's video. And if you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to my channel and please do like this video for further upcoming videos on health and fitness related content. Thanks for watching the video.